Hi, my name is Katerina Ho, and I'm a medical student at the Warren Alpert Medical School of Brown University. I want to say thank you for your support of my grant, the Ali and Daniela Raja RAMS Medical Student Research Grant. My research focuses on emergency medicine protocols in low resource settings in Sub-Saharan Africa. This project aims to improve airway management and intubation-related complications in emergency rooms in Kigali, Rwanda. With this grant, we will be exploring new ways to reduce the high intubation complication rates in these low resource settings by implementing evidence-based procedural checklists and pre-assembled intubation kits to enhance first pass success rates and patient outcomes. Your gifts to the SAEMF Foundation enable me to continue to work with our partner hospital in Rwanda, advancing emergency medicine care and investigating new protocols to improve patient outcomes globally in the setting of emergency medicine. I want to thank you again for your support. I am the future of academic emergency medicine.